The Solidworks interface. Along the top you'll find the pull-down menus, and once a part, model, drawing, or an assembly is open, there will be more menus available, and these that are grayed out will also become available, such as print, save, rebuild. I have already created a part, so I will go to File and Open. At the top, it will give us the name of the part we're working on. This is called angle block. This is also found in the feature manager on the left side. And as we create the part or the assembly, everything will appear in the feature manager as it's created. So extrude 1 was created, and then this circular cut was made. There's the origin, which is the center of SolidWorks space, 0, 0, 0. At the origin, the front plane, the top plane, and the right plane intersect. And where they intersect, that is SolidWorks origin. This area where our part model is called the viewport. Along the top, SolidWorks has created the command manager, which has the most common features and sketch and other menu items, which is pretty handy. The features tab brings forward extruding a boss base solid, revolve base solid, swept solid, lofted, and there are extruded cuts, hole wizard, revolve cuts. There are fillets and chamfers, patterns, secondary operations such as ribs, draft, and shell, reference geometry. The other most often used menu, sketch tab, where we will create sketches which will then be extruded, applying dimensions, creating lines, and geometric shapes such as rectangles and circles. SolidWorks is very good with all the tooltips that appear as you approach a item. It will highlight and tell you what it does. Convert solid, selected model edges or sketch entities into sketch segments. And like most programs, all the tools are available either under Insert and Tools. And likewise, you can right-click on a tool button and you can find all the available SolidWorks menus. On your mouse, you have the left button. That is most commonly used for selecting objects on the screen or sketching. So I use the left mouse button to select that face. The right button is used for activating pop-up menu items that you use when editing. So when I right-click, there are other items that appear, and that changes depending on what you are working on. So don't be afraid to select something and then right-click and see what you're able to do with it. The center button of your mouse, which also has the scrolling wheel, that's used for model rotation, just by pressing and moving the mouse. If you hold the control key on your keyboard and move the mouse, it pans and shifts the object on your space. And the scroll center wheel, as you roll it towards you, objects come towards you. As you roll away, the object goes farther from you. Now that this part is open, there are much more available items in your menus. I often have the push pin selected at the end of this top menu so that the menu next to it also appears.